Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video is going to be a jewelry review. So Distance Jewelry reached out to me and asked if I would like to review their jewelry they have. So I said yes, of course. Their jewelry is so beautiful. And I chose 4 items, which I'll show you in a moment. So on their website, it was hard to choose 4 items because they have so many beautiful things. It was hard to narrow it down because they have necklaces, earrings, bracelets, anklets, so many to choose from. And in those categories of like necklaces, there's like more categories. For example, like birthstone necklaces, personalized necklaces, and like the rings, they have like stackable rings, engagement rings, like all different categories within those categories. So anyways, you guys, I will include in my description box, they gave me a coupon code, which I will, like I said, put in my description box, as well as links to these items so you can take you over to the website and check out these items if you'd like. And like I said, I'll put all their information below in my description box. And again, the company's name is Distance Jewelry. So let's go ahead and get into this haul review video because I am so excited to show you what I got. And you guys know I love jewelry so much. I wear jewelry all the time. I feel like jewelry is, you know, it's for me, it's like the icing on the cake for an outfit. I just feel like just super comfortable when I'm wearing jewelry. I love it. So this is so exciting to do this review video for you guys. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this. Now I took the lid off the box, but it does come with a box, and then it has the velvet like interior here, and it also comes with each item comes plastic with it's protected in plastic when it's shipped. But yeah, so this here is, I chose this. This is the first item I chose. So I'm going to show you. This is so beautiful. This is the rose gold plated infinity heart bangle. Now, it comes in different size, sizes, and I chose the size I chose, but it also has an extender piece, which is great because sometimes I want to wear my bangles looser, tighter. It just depends on, how I'm feeling that day. If I want it to be like, like a looser look or a tighter like cuff type thing. So I'm going to try this on for you guys in a moment, but I want to let you guys see closer up what it looks like. It is so pretty. So it has the infinity symbol with the heart, and it also has a little crystal right here. And wait till you see the extender piece. It's so pretty. Also, this would be really good for like Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, because it's got the infinity with the heart. I like that it has crystals around the heart, as well as, like I said, that crystal right there. It's just a lot of like interesting components on this bangle bracelet. It's just so pretty, you guys. And like I said, I don't normally, wait till you see this, I don't normally see this type of bangle with, like, you know what I mean? So it's kind of like really nice because I can extend it to what I want comfortable on my wrist. And there's a swan at the bottom of this extender piece. I want to show you how pretty this is. There's actually a swan, and it's got crystals. Let me see if it's turned around the right way here for you guys. But yeah, it has crystals on the swan. So I'm like, every little detail was paid in making this, piece here. It really was. So I'm gonna go a little bit closer so you guys can see with against the velvet there, the black there, so the camera focuses on that. But it is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try it on for you guys now. But again, what I love about it is you get like the best of both worlds. You get like a bangle, but you also get like a bracelet. It's like a really interesting piece. I love it so much. And I love the heart. It's so sweet. So I'm going to try it on now and show you guys what it looks like on. It's so cute. I've already tried it on. It's just so, so cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it this way on. So this is before I attach it, but this is so far how it looks. And let me go ahead and attach it, or put it to loop it in there, or clip it on, or however you say it. Okay, let me go ahead and do this. So yeah, I love it because there's so many options to choose from. Like I said, on their website, it's like I could spend all day on their website because they have so many pieces to choose from. Okay, let me see if I can clip this. I have my nails on, so I may need to get some help to put this on. Let's see, I think I have it here. Okay, guys, I have it on now. This is so pretty. So I have it like kind of like loose. Like, do you see how I have it like not completely tight against my arm here? And that's how I like it. I kind of like it like that. But look at how pretty it is. I'm going to go in closer so you can see now. Isn't that so pretty? Look at that, how it reads. It's just so gorgeous. And I love the delicate like chain, like I said, that like, you know, does the little dangle there with like the little swan. I love how it looks. I love when jewelry, like, I do love the look of that. Like when jewelry kind of has that like charm kind of thing going off on it. I think it's so pretty. So again, look at how pretty that is. I'll show you closer up, but see how cute it is. And I just love that extra, you know, detail there. I think it's so like delicate looking and so like eye-catching. I mean, look at how pretty that is. See how pretty that is? And again, I can make it tighter so it's a little bit, if I want to have it more tighter against my arm, it could be either way. But again, it comes in different sizes. And again, I love that it has an extender piece because you can customize it to what works best for how you like it to fit. So anyways, you guys, again, that is the rose gold plated infinity heart bangle, and just really, really beautiful piece. Lovely piece. So all right, you guys, let me show you the next thing. I'm like so excited. Okay, so I'm looking at 3 more things. I'm not sure which to show you first because they're all so pretty. It's like I want to show you them all at once. Okay, let me go ahead and show you the, this is the personalized, this is the 3 heart and birthstone custom gold plated name necklace. So of course, you guys know I love my, I love personalized necklaces and anything personalized. So I did choose the one with the amethyst birthstone because my birthday is in February. So this says Sarah. It is so gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. I love the font that they used on it. I think it's so pretty, and this comes in different links as well. So I believe I chose the 18-inch length on it. It's so pretty. Look at that, you guys. Let me pull it up a little bit so it's against the card here so you can see it a little bit better. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see if I can get it straight here on there. Yeah, but I wear necklaces all the time. So this is just so beautiful. And the thing about I love about personalized jewelry is like, because my name doesn't have an H on it. So sometimes like if, you know, it's hard to find names, you know, with personalized names, it's just, or personalized necklaces like this that they do, it's just so nice because I can put anything on here. And I chose Sarah. I wanted to put my name on here. But again, I don't have an H. So like if I were to go to like a store, it'd be harder to find. It's usually harder to find Sarah without the H when I'm shopping like at a store, finding like name necklaces. So this is really fabulous that I can just personalize it. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you guys now. It's stunning. It is so stunning. Now they also have, I believe this is a 2-inch extender as well that they give you. So you choose the size that you want, plus they give you a 2-inch extender, again, to make it however you want to fit, looser, you know, higher up on your neck or lower. And I'm going to try it on for you guys. And it has a little heart extension. So the bottom, like again, the end of the extender piece has a heart. I don't know if it's going to show on the camera, but let me go closer so you can see. There's a little heart there. So really, really cute, you guys. I love necklaces. Okay, so let me put it this way. Okay, make sure it's going the right direction. Yeah, okay. Okay, so it's on, you guys. So let's see. I don't have my glasses on. Here we go. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. Look at this, you guys. What a statement piece. Look at how pretty that is. I just love the look of personalized jewelry. I just think it looks so special, like so unique. I mean, you know what I mean? It's just, and I love that it has a little amethyst birthstone. Again, you can customize it to the birthstone that you want on your necklace. So, I mean, it's just the best of both worlds. You get your name, your birthstone, or whatever color gemstone that you want. It's just so pretty. Isn't that? I love the way it looks like on. It's like the eye goes right to that to the necklace. It's just so Gorgeous, isn't it? It almost looks like it's floating, and that's what I love about it too, because the chain is so delicate. That's what I love. Like, I just really love that look where it looks like it's just kind of floating. And again, I can go higher up if I wanted to wear the chain higher up, so it would be a little bit higher up. Again, you could order, they have different lengths of the chain, so you can wear it higher or lower, so whatever you prefer. But yes, you guys, I'm so excited about this one. So, all right, there's that. Now, I will show you, they sent me a ring. Okay, so this is absolutely stunning. Look at this, you guys. So again, it comes wrapped with, it's gonna come with the plastic, but I took it out to show you what it looks like in the box. It is, this one is the, let's see, I wrote it down here. The round, because I want to make sure I get the name right, because there's a lot of rings to choose from on their website. This is the round cubic zirconia solitaire gold plated ring. It's 1.88 carats of cubic zirconia. And it's so pretty, you guys. It is so sparkly. Wait till you see when I try it on how sparkly it is. It's, look at the profile of it. It's so pretty. I'm going to bring it up in the box a little bit higher so you can see it. But it is stunning. You see that? It is absolutely stunning. So clear. The cubic zirconia is so clear. It's just beautiful. So this is one of those that's like really eye-catching as well. Like when you see it, it's like, oh, my eye goes like right to this. And I love rings that sparkle like this. So I'm going to try it on. So here it is outside the box. I'm going to go ahead and show you outside the box before I try it on. You can see, look at how clear that is. It's really clear, you guys, like super, super like clear. Okay, there's the profile. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys now. Look at this. This is like, it fits me perfect. So I chose the size I wanted, and look at this, you guys. Look at how beautiful this is. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Do you see how it like picks up the sparkle? I mean, it is gorgeous. I'll show you right here. Look at how clear that is. I'm trying to get as close as I can so you guys can see how beautiful it reads. I mean, it is so pretty. I love it, and it's lightweight, and it's super, like, this is comfortable. The band is super comfortable. It's just an all-around beautiful. The setting is beautiful. 1.88 cubic zirconia. It's just so pretty, you guys. It's, look at this. It is so gorgeous. So, yeah, I'm in love with it, and I'm going to wear it a lot. You guys will see it in a lot of upcoming videos. I will be wearing this ring a lot because I think it's just so pretty. I'm so excited with this. So, yeah, I don't have this cut, this solitaire cut ring. You know, I don't have a single solitaire like this. So yeah, I'm really excited that it's part of my jewelry collection now because again, I'll be wearing it a lot. So, all right, you guys, the next item I want to show you, last but certainly not least, this is so pretty. This is this is a heart rotating 4-leaf clover. This is so pretty. So it is, you know, I love 4-leaf clovers for what they stand for good luck. And this is absolutely stunning. Now this comes in 2 colors. You can do the white gold or the rose gold. I chose the rose gold. And let me go ahead and show you a little bit closer before I take it out of the box. But it's turns, a 4-leaf clover turns, which I think is so cute. And it's, again, a beautiful statement piece. I love 4-leaf clovers. So, but yeah, so beautiful. And again, this is one size for the chain. So this comes only one size. You don't get to choose on this one, but it has the extender piece again that they give you, which is a 2-inch. You see all this right here? This here, the thicker part of the chain is all your extender piece right there. Look at that. You get to choose the size of how, you know, customize it to what you like right here. Now here, I just noticed this. They have little cute, like, oh my gosh, everything has like cute little Easter eggs, like surprises on them. Like I didn't realize this till now I'm looking at it. This also has a swan. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, their jewelry is like, I love this. I've never seen this before. I'm gonna go in closer on the camera so you can see the swan. It matches the one on my bracelet. But look at the swan. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get it to turn around on, you guys can hopefully see the right side of it. I hope it's showing. That's the back side, I think. Let me turn it over the right way. I hope it's showing. It's got crystals on it, you guys. It's, there we go. Here we go, right here. Let's see if I can put it on the black. Here we go. All right, friends, so I'm gonna try this on now. Oh, let me go in closer too so you can see the detail on this 4-leaf clover. So it has the crystals on it. Isn't that pretty? And it's like 3-dimensional. You can see it has like a 3-dimensional to it, and it turns. It is stunning, like with like a sweater or just like a button down or whatever you want, a turtleneck. It's so cute. Look at how cute this is. It spins. I love that. You can see closer. Isn't that pretty? And I love the rose gold. I love rose gold, you guys. It's like of the 2 metals, I think rose gold is my favorite. And then of course I love I love silver as well, but I always tend to wear rose gold more than silver. But let me go ahead and try this on. I'm going to take this necklace off, even though I don't want to because I love this necklace, but I love this and I want to show you with it separate. You know what I mean? I want you to see how it reads separately. This is so pretty. Okay, let me show this. This is going to be just as beautiful. It has a nice weight to it as well. So let me go ahead and try that on for you guys. Okay. I've got that one here. And let me try this one here for you. Okay. So you've got this here. This is so cute. Okay, I'm so excited to try this one on. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, this clasp is so nice and like easy to pull. It's so nice. Okay, guys. Oh yeah, this is so cute. Oh yes. Let's see. Is it backwards? Did I put it backwards though? I think I put it backwards. Let me try it again. Okay, I think it's backwards. Wait. No, it's not backwards, is it? Let me check it out. No, not backwards. Okay. Oh wow, that is so pretty. You guys, look at this. It's so dainty, but like a statement piece. Like it just speaks for itself. Like I don't have to wear anything else and it speaks for itself. You see that? It's like I feel like the eye goes right to that. And again, it's kind of like the icing on the cake for this outfit. I feel like it just goes right to this necklace. It's so like eye-catching, and I like that it's like 3-dimensional. It's just beautiful. It's stunning. You guys, look at this. This is absolutely stunning. I love it. So pretty, right? It's so like blingy. That's what I love about it. It's so pretty, you guys. I'm in love with it. Yeah, I love it so much. Yay, I'm so happy. It's so cute. You guys, I love it so much. Okay, I want to make sure I still have it on the right way, didn't turn. Yeah, so again, it looks like it's kind of floating, right? Because of the chain, again, is very dainty, and that's what I like about it. So like, it just looks like it's just so beautifully, like just sits there beautifully. I just love it. All right, yeah, I'm really happy with this one too. So you guys, that is it for my haul from Distance Jewelry. I am so thrilled with everything they sent me. I am like, you will be seeing me wearing these pieces time and time again because I think they're just everyday pieces. I could also dress them up. I mean, I could wear this with, like a dress or just a t-shirt. It would be cute either way, like you can dress this up or down. Same with everything else I received. And this ring is so beautiful. And then the bangle, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Yeah, look at this. Again, I can dress this up or down. It'd be really cute with like a sweater and, again, a t-shirt. I mean, it just would dress up a t-shirt or, it even, dress up like what I'm wearing now. I mean, I'm so excited with this all. So anyways, you guys, I'm going to put the coupon and all of the information again in my description box. And thank you so much for watching. And Distance Jewelry, thank you so much for sending this and thinking of me. And I hope that you guys are all doing amazing. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, thank you guys so much once again for being here. And with that being said, I will see you guys back here tomorrow with my next haul. So till next time, everybody, take care. God bless, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.